Um, Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learning Generative Art using GLSL 2D Edition. In this video, we will be learning about basic settings and color specification in GLSL Canvas. Let's start by looking at the first line. Here, we are specifying the version of GLSL, and we are using GLSL ES3. ES stands for Embedded Systems, which is primarily used for OpenGL on mobile devices. Throughout this learning series, we will continue to use GLSL ES 3.0. On the second line, we are specifying the precision of floating point numbers, essentially the accuracy of the decimal points. HYPE stands for high precision, resulting in more accurate calculation results. You can also specify medium or low for medium or low precision. The third line declares an output variable with frag color. Here, we will store the final output color in frag color. Best4 is a vector type with 4 components representing RGBA colors. Let's take a look at what colors are output when we input values into frag color. The source code we are currently looking at has a 1 inputted for R, which is why the color red is being outputted. Next, we will look at the case of drawing green. This is because a 1 has been inputted in the second position. Next, we will look at the case of drawing blue. This is because a 1 has been inputted in the third position. Finally, we have transparent. This is because 0 has been inputted in the fourth position. The fourth position represents the alpha value, which determines the level of transparency. I hope this video has helped you master basic settings and color output in GLSL Canvas. You can also use the code from the URL in the description box below, so feel free to modify it to deepen your understanding. Happy coding.